Well, you know that I love Tel Aviv. I mean, it's a beautiful city. It's an amazing place to be, and in one place you can find so many things. For example, here you can see the current thing of so many soldiers who died in the war that are still going on between us and the terrorists around us. And you can see kind of, at least starting their march of groups, which are, I think most of the Israelis that knows that there are still 59 people that have been kidnapped in Gaza. They are still there. Then you can see that they're going to, I don't know, it's a demonstration or they're going to march. But this is a strange, not strange, a beautiful day. If we're talking about it, then let me try to show you a little bit of it, although it's a little bit early for that. People are using costumes. They are dressed up as whatever they want because this is one of the must of Purim. And I love it. Then you can be tonight and tomorrow whatever you want. Whatever you want. You must be even 95% drunk. It's allowed. This is Purim. There will be so many parties tonight, and all of them except of me will be dressed up as whatever they want. Sadly, right now, I cannot see even one person who did something. But trust me, it's going to be later on full with them. On the way to the party, just before and after the first drink. But the most important thing of today here, it's reading the Megillah, reading the scroll, reading the Book of Esther. And it's beautiful to see that. You saw the secular part of Tel Aviv, and this is the non-secular part. I think if you're Christian or Jew, you know the Book of Esther. But for Israel and for this time, it's actually even more important because the Book of Esther tells us about almost a genocide for the Jewish people. Haman, one of the helpers of King Hashverosh from Iran of today, decided to kill all the Jews all over the planet in one day. And Esther and Mordecai actually saved the nation. Now, if you will hear them using doing some noise, is because they every time they mention a man, the horrible man, you can call it Sinwar, you can call it Hezbollah, you can call it Hamas. It's the same idea. When you will hear them, they are supposed to make some noise. Then let's hope that we will find it. They are reading it from the scroll itself. Don't want to be in it, just want you to show it. All right, people with customs, can you come to here, please? That's the beauty of Tel Aviv. You can see everything in one place. Usually people are accepting each other, except of terrorists or someone will try to convert you to something else. Besides that, everyone are okay. I must tell you that they pronounce it in a nice way, but it's difficult to understand it if you don't speak Hebrew well. It's a beautiful square of Tel Aviv, the center of Tel Aviv. Come on, one a man, people with customs. What's happened to you now? You're destroying your video. They won't believe me, they won't trust me anymore. He is now reading the part that two of the Persian people, of the Iranian people, wanted to rebel, wanted to take the kings out of his chair, and Mordecai, the Jew, actually heard about it, and he told Hashverosh about it. All right, that was Hamas, Haman, Hezbollah. Lovely, isn't it? One place, religious people that not trying to convert anyone, secular Israelis that are not trying to destroy that beautiful event. And it's going to be a long, long night because I'm going to walk all over Tel Aviv. That was a little bit of a man. All right, you got it. Then one side, 59 people that's still in Gaza by the hands of the terrorists of Gaza. You can call it Palestine. And the other end, a story of let's say, between the first and second temple, many years ago, of a nation, or not nation, one person, a man, Hamas, ISIS, wanted to kill all the Jews in one day, and we stopped it just like we actually stopped Hamas. And strange, isn't it? But I want costumes. Is it too early? Is it too early? Might be too early. Tomorrow it's a holiday, not officially, but it is a holiday. Then people will party all night. And I'm too old for that, but I'm still happy. Then guys, thank you for being with me in that 8 minutes video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will be more than happy if you will write a comment and say something about it, because that's my way to study and to understand what is interesting, what is less. I think it's interesting. What do you think? Thank you very much. Bye bye.